Hi, welcome back to the tutorial on Power BI. I hope you're feeling more confidence in building your knowledge on how to build visualizations and answer business questions in Power BI. In the last video, we created a bar chart. We explored the visualization pane where we saw that we added an add group to the axis and impressions to values, and we changed the color by highlighting the format icon and going to colors and changing the colors, and we also added data labels. The homework challenge was to tell me which ad group that we spend the most money on. So we know that we can change what value is in the value part of this axis. So to do that, we want to change impressions into spend. But let's keep this visualization and make a duplicate of it first. So simply highlight the visualization, press Ctrl C, then press Ctrl V. Now that we have this visualization built, we're going to pull in and replace impressions with spent. So what you're going to do is pull that over, and sometime it'll double. Just get rid of impressions, and now we have how much we have spent per ad group. To make this a little clearer, let's go back to our format, change the color, and since this is money, maybe we'll change it to a dark green. Now we can see in our axis, we have our ad group and we have the value spent. Also, if we navigate to the field section, you can see ad group is selected and spent is selected. So we know we spent dollars, so I would love to see a dollar sign next to these labels. To do this, we go back to the fields, highlight it, move up to modeling, which is on the top ribbon, move over to the format section, and we can click the dollar sign for currency format. When you click that arrow, you'll have some options to what kind of currency. We want to know dollars. When we click that, you can see now we have the amount spent. So which ad group did we spend the most on? Ad group D. That answers your business question on which ad group did we spend the most money on. Now I want to talk a little bit more about drilling in Power BI. So let's start a new sheet, and if you remember how to do this, you can simply go down to the bottom plus or go to the home section and add a new page. Let's use this plus. So let's create a visualization with dates and talk about hierarchies and drilling. So we move back over to our field section and click dates. And since we're talking about money, let's also bring in spent. As you can see, we have a bar chart and we have the years. If we move over to our fields, we can see that we have a hierarchy. We have date, year, quarter, month. And what this is we're aggregated at the year, but we can also drill down into different levels. So to talk a little bit more about drilling, we want to be able to drill down from year, quarter, month to the day. There are a couple ways to do that. We can use the visualization by simply clicking it to drill down. And to set this up, you would go to the Drills tab. So from Home to the Drills tab, and then you would click Drill Down. And when you see that, you see this black arrow highlighted. So all I have to do is simply click into the visualization, and it drills down from year to quarter, quarter to month, and then month to day. And if I want to go back up a level, I simply click the up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. And that's a type of drilling we can do in Power BI. So if I unclick that, we also have a double arrow, and this says go to the next level in the hierarchy. We know that the next level from this is quarters. So this allows you to do the same thing, but from each level. So let's go back up, drill up, and drill up until we get to the same level. The next option gives us the option to expand all down one level in the hierarchy. And by expanding, we keep what we already have. So if we have 2016 and we expand it to the next level, we should be able to see everything, but at a lower level of granularity. So if I click this, we can see that you have all your years and all your quarters. If you click the hierarchy, expand the hierarchy again, you get the same options. And we can always go back up into our hierarchy. We can also do the same thing with the show next level and expand next level. And you can see that those icons are similar. Another type of drilling is to be able to click this visualization and see the records. So if I click see records and then I click into the visual, it will take me to the actual data. I go back, and if I want to deselect that option, I just take it off. So those are really great advanced ways of drilling. Now, for your homework question, I would like to know how much money we spent in March of 2016 and March of 2017. See you in the next video.